decided that some of them are just too trash to use, so yeah, I'm going to replace them. Oh, wire, where's the wire? Ah, I see. Here's some nifty tyres which we have found under the other nifty tyres, but I wonder what era these ones are from. Definitely 50s or 60s, I would say. You're driving, Jim?
Yeah.
Just getting it ready for the plasterer. Hopefully this is okay. Yeah, perfect. Right, so we've come to an electrical light switch. I've had to cut a little square out, so I just measured it across, up and down, cut it out using the Stanley knife, and to fit in there. Apparently, it's supposed to be a plastic insert, but this one's got a metal insert in, but I didn't do it, so well, there you go, and it fits just lovely. Well, that's our lot for today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you next time with part 3. Bye now.